Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. Thanks so much for hopping on another fun planner video with me today. So today's video is an unboxing of Planything's February box. It is the Spring Florals plus a new sticker book to share with you all. So if you guys want to check out this video, then keep on watching. So hey there, thanks for stopping by. I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, yet keeping things fun and functional. And also from time to time on my channel, you guys will see planner reviews or unboxings. So today I have Planything's February box. It is the Spring Florals. And I'm also going to talk about some new changes with her subscription. I do want to let you guys know this is going to be the last subscription box for February. So if you purchase this, it's going to be $35, but if you are already like subscribed to her subscriptions, I think you will be paying $30, plus shipping, but this is going to be her last subscription box. She wanted to customize things for people to order things a little bit easier, and she wants to have goals of creating more things to come in the new year. So I think that's awesome. Amber's really great about working with her customers and just creating things that planners love. So again, this will be the last monthly subscription boxes, so she will no longer have that, but she will have some of the things that you have seen in the past, especially her sticker books, be created throughout the year. You'll just get to buy at your time. So I hope that makes sense. I will leave some information in the description box, but basically this is going to be the last one, and if you decide to get this one, it's going to be $35 with shipping. So there are two new sticker books. One, it comes with the February box, but you can also buy it individually. And then this one here, which is the House and Trees. They're both set at $20 with shipping. But if you get the subscription box, you get it for $35 plus the sticker book and other goodies in here. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. I'm going to share the February Spring Florals first, and then we'll flip through the House and Trees. Okay, it looks like we have a lot of goodies. I just want you guys to know everything comes packaged really nicely, so I'm also going to remove all the plastic wrap. So let's go over what's in the February box. Again, this is called Spring Florals, and you get this cute little intro card. And in this box, you get one full sticker book with 30 sheets. You get two double-sided paper, one sticky note, one pen, two washi tapes, and then one adhesive pocket, which is really great for your planner, any planner that you have. I currently have one in my wellness planner. It's a spiral ring planner, and it's really great to keep all my functional wellness or fitness stickers related in there. So those are super fun. So we'll go ahead and talk about those. So she has some cute prints for spring, and I like that it's a little translucent. So you just take it off the backing. It's really pretty. It has just like some springy design to it, but it has that pretty translucent color in the background. I think these are really pretty. Again, I have mine in my wellness planner. Let me just grab that so I can share. So this is my wellness planner for this year. It's going great so far, but I have one of her pockets from her previous subscription box, and it's just super pretty. It just gives it like this added bonus to put all your stickers in for your planner. So I really enjoy having like these adhesive pockets that she's been releasing. And the fun print is so pretty. So we have this one, and then this pretty one with the lilac background. And again, I like the fact that it's kind of like this translucent background color, and you can still see the floral print on it. Super pretty. So those are really great. So here's the tiny little sticky note, really cute. So these are perfect for monthly. So if you have a planner and you want to set up your planner for the month, these are great for writing in all those appointments, or just having this with you in your planner bag so you can take it out and write a quick note, even if you didn't set your month up at the time and say an appointment comes up in the middle of the month or something, you can use these. These are so great and tiny and accessible, so you can just pop those into your planner bag. Don't take up too much space, but that's what I would recommend these for. You can also split it up and maybe stick some in your planner, so you could just take them apart like that and place them in your planner. You can make countdowns with these. I mean, sticky notes are great for anything. I plan on taking some sticky notes with me. Again, if I don't have time, I'm going to a planner conference soon. If I don't have time to take a bunch of notes, I can just pop out sticky notes to write those down, especially speaker names or somebody's name, or a handle someone's Instagram handle I want to remember. So those are perfect. And they have like this pretty spring florals and colors. Okay, the next two things is her washi. I love when she does like beautiful print washi. So we have two springy colors here. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this and give you guys an up close of what it looks like on paper. Okay, so here's a closer look at the washi swatched on paper. I always use this little mini Happy Planner micro to swatch out my washi, but how pretty is this one? It's got that pretty lilac colors, and then this one gives me more of spring and summer vibes, so that's kind of like a bonus. And these other ones have also been in her subscription box. This was actually last box. It was the January Rainbow Florals. Super pretty. I like when she does the floral prints because I don't normally buy a lot of floral washi or planner accessories, so it's kind of nice to try things out in a planner subscription box. And then also I think they make great gifts for others that you know that would love floral washi. So those are super pretty. Then she always has her custom pins, which I think are really cool. I'm always excited to see what she comes out with and how she designs her pins for each box. But again, I know this is going to be her last box, but she's still going to continue creating some of the things that she has created. It's just going to be better for you to buy on your time. Hopefully that makes sense. So it's not going to be a monthly service anymore. But how cute is this pen? Green and pink are really great colors together. And you have like the beautiful crystals, and this one's a twisty pen. I love collecting planner pens. It's so much fun to have in your craft space. And then you also get two double-sided cardstock paper. How pretty are these? These are really great for memory keeping. You can, cut these up to cover up some spots in your planner, like if you want to make vertical boxes, or for instance, I got some ideas to cover up some boxes in my EC Petite Planner, and I could use strips of pattern paper for that, but paper is just so flexible in general. You can use it for anything. Memory keeping, you can laminate, make covers, you can make bookmarks for your planners. It's just really pretty. So they're double-sided. And then with this box, you get this one called Spring Floral Sticker Book. 482 stickers, 30 sticker sheets. And again, this can be bought separate at $20 with shipping. So we'll go ahead and flip through this beautiful sticker book. Okay, so pretty. So these are pretty translucent stickers, but instead of them being glossy, they are matte. So that is something she's changed in her sticker books. They used to be like a glossy translucent. Now they are like a matte clear sticker, which are really pretty. I love those lilac flowers. So you get 2 pages of that one. I love the mint with the lilac. That's so pretty. 2 page of that one. Got some border stickers. I've been using a lot of, me personally, I've been using a lot of floral stickers for faith planning or devotionals or, Bible study time. I don't know, I just tend to pull more florals for that type of planning. But of course, you can use it for whatever you like. So then she always gives you box stickers to coordinate, and you get 2 pages, and these are fully matte stickers. Ooh, look at these pinks. Really pretty. And here are your boxes, and of course the washi kind of coordinates with the first couple of sticker pages. Then we have this one, really pretty. I like that it's all one color because also I like sometimes to do like rainbow spreads in my planner, where especially if it's a daily, like at the moment I'm using a daily catch-all and I'm using a daily faith planner, and so I like to just use like a mono chromatic and then like use the rainbow spectrum. It's just been fun. So this one's pretty. You got like these fun cutouts, florals here. Super simple. I like that she just works with, you know, a couple of colors and it all is very cohesive. I love, here's like the warmer colors. Really pretty. I think this is a really great, simple spring floral sticker book. It's not too busy. You get like these smaller stickers to work with. Here are your boxes, really pretty. Ooh, then we have some succulents, which are my favorite. I love succulents. They're super easy to take care of. Well, the climate that I live in is super easy because I don't have a green thumb. But it's always fun, especially around the springtime, for the girls, me and my kids to, you know, change that up or decorate the porch and just bring it back to life, because I know over winter we don't even mess with it. But succulents are really easy. So that is your spring floral sticker book, and again the clear stickers have changed to a matte finish, which are more of like a you know, a silky matte. It's kind of like a semi matte, I guess, but it's not that glossy like she had before. So let me know what you think. If you plan on getting this sticker book or the box, super pretty. So that's Spring Florals. And the other sticker book she released is called House and Trees. This one's 490 stickers, but 30 sheets. Super cute, and the design on this one is houses and trees, and the other one I think is just florals. Okay, so let's flip through this one. Oh my gosh, look at the houses. This is more of like a city, reminds me of New York. And they're all, I like that they're all different colors. That's fun. Then we have some trees, more greenery, and it's the same matte clear stickers. Oh, look at these houses. This totally reminds me of a place in LA that I took my daughter to go see, the Charm House, but it's kind of like a famous landmark area. It has a lot of Victorian houses on that strip, but that's where they shot the movie Charm in LA. It's like about an hour from us, but look how cute these houses are. They look just like him. That's so pretty. Then we have her boxes, and she has some boxes with the houses and some blank. I love this color palette she's playing with. That's pretty. And then some more trees. Oh my gosh, these are my favorite. These tend to come after, I feel like these come more in May here in California than they do in the spring. But they're really pretty when they fall all over the neighborhood. Ooh, so we have these that kind of look like maybe in Arizona or mission houses. Really pretty. Very colorful and fun. I love the idea of houses and trees. We have some palm trees. And there are your boxes. Then we have some kind of like fall, spooky kind of houses, but a little bit more vintage. Again, these would be great for around fall season, I think. Yeah, because this one's got like, looks like a haunted house. There's like some ghosts right there. That's super cute. Yeah. So now you have some fall seasonal trees. That's really pretty. It's my favorite. And some fun boxes. And she still plays with the colors, which is great. It matches the stickers. So you can see that this is kind of set seasonally. That's pretty. So we have winter, a lot of cozy lodges. I would love to go to one of those for like a vacay. The snowy trees. Oh, you have some barns. Oh, these are all decked out with Christmas lights and wreaths. Super cute. And then here are your boxes. Super fun. This is a really cute sticker book. It's very different. So what do you guys think about this one? Houses and Trees. I love it. I think it's something fun to have in your sticker collection. I like that it's seasonally too. So those are the new updates and the Spring Floral for February's box. Again, don't forget to follow the hashtags or add your hashtag. That way you can see other planners and how they're using their subscription boxes or sticker books. And then you get this cute little sticker that you can put in your planner. That yay, you received your box from Amber, plan anything. Super fun. So again, thanks to Amber for sending me this box so I can review this for you all. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.